Changing the language in the Dropbox app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open the Dropbox app. Launch the Dropbox app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Locate the settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Step 3. Find language options. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the language option. This may be listed under a general settings section or labeled as app language. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Tap on the language option to see a list of available languages. Choose the language you wish to use from the list. Step 5. Confirm and restart. After selecting your preferred language, confirm your choice if prompted. You may need to restart the app for the changes to take effect. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the Dropbox app to suit your needs. Enjoy using Dropbox in your preferred language.